The cars over there are slowing down. Honey? Han? No, 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 no. I heard something over there.
What's over there?
I heard running.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys! I'm sitting down again here. I'm trying to edit a video and also nakikinig sa mga news. Oh my God! #1 na kami, guys. Ang America is #1. So this is the first time we become #1. In a bad way. It's not funny, but my goodness. I hope we are #1 all over the world in good news. Rocky! Hi, Rocky! Come here, baby. Ya, 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 ayaw makinig, guys. Anyway, guys, good morning. Wala kaming magawa today. What is that noise? Come here, give me the kidakta. I'm gonna be under the sun, Han. Okay, dito tayo sa may araw para maganda yung... Hala, it's nice to be under the sun.
The only problem with this porch, that's why I want to build 4 feet out.
Like, it's a nice day. And uulan daw mamaya. This is a nice color room. The yard is greener now, honey. The yard is greener now. You know what, Han? I think what's the problem? It's in the left side, right? Every time I use it to the edges, it's in the left side, right? And I go closer to the fence, and you know that fence have that. Maybe because that's where always the side of I be in is coaching the side of. You know what? If you really wanna clean it, you have to cut all that small trees and leave it. Even that tree that grow like that.
Trees and they grow stuff, then I want to leave them. But all that little muck, like you got all those little branches and crap.
Yeah.
Some of them are flowers, which I really hate to kill.
Binalik ko lang to, guys. Alis ako, punta ako sa labas. Kailangan ko lang trim, and si Tammy is going to go out later. Pito!
What are you doing? Even you cut in half, well, I look horrible now. Really?
Okay, guys, magtitrim ako, and I will see you outside. I will probably... Oh, you know what? I'm just going to put in the tripod, Han, that you don't have to film, okay?
chainsaw. Cut some of that crap up. You know where the rest of the long extension cords are?
And what are you gonna do? Just get it up.
I'm gonna cut it down.
Hey, be careful over there, huh?
Yeah.
There's a lot of poison ivy.
Should have some long arm extension cords.
So what are you trying to use over there?
Chainsaw. These things aren't working anymore?
It works.
I don't hear it.
I don't know. Don't kill that yellow grass, huh? Yellow.
Tell me what you want cut.
That's cut everything except that yellow leaves. Hi guys, pasok ako guys kasi ano, wow, my face is so dirty, Han. My face is so dirty, but anyway guys, I came here because I'm so tired. Tired, Han. My husband left me alone. Left me hanging out there, carrying on. So I'm done for now, eh? I have to do garden, but I cannot, I'm tired. And then there's no soil, nothing. Tommy is really funny when he do stuff. He start this and stop what he's doing over there and transfer to the other place, and he doesn't finish.
Trying to do it. Oh, because when I was using the saw, I was going after things with the saw. When I'm using the trimmer, I'm going after things with a trimmer.
It's already almost 3 o'clock, guys, and I decided to stop, guys. Stop. And you're going to use that other chair, huh? Charge natin yung battery natin kasi dead na dead. Napagod talaga ako, guys. Nawala na ako ng ano, ng lakas. Hi! Hello! Hello, hello, hello! Hopefully, bukas maganda din yung ano, araw. Kasi kapag maganda yung temperature bukas, lalabas din ako. Pasensya na, guys, kapag makita kayong mga shiny-shiny sa lips ko kasi I just put a petroleum kasi yung lips ko kasi. And, doesn't like that.
He has to put up with it.
Huh?
He has to deal with it. He doesn't have to like it, he has to put up with it.
Hi guys.
Okay, you can play with the computer.
No.
Show him Working on it.
Hi guys. Tommy is calling somebody and then still in waiting area. So I just lay down guys. I close my eyes for a while. Pasensya na sa sounds kasi naka-hold si Tommy. Hold on to your body. So magluluto lang ako guys. Masakit yung katawan ko and giniginaw ako and parang may ano ba after sa paglilinis sa labas na ano ako, yung katawan ko is sobrang sakit at saka giniginaw na yung parang palagnat na ba? Yung parang ganon. And doon ako nakahiga. So, Tommy, pinainom ako ng ano, NyQuil. Kaya wala pa akong kain. Ang daming pinainom ni Tommy na NyQuil. And luto tayo nito. Nito.
Pero ito na lang gawin mo. Ikaw ang mamigay niya, ha? Okay, so ngayon, naisip namin, maglalagay na rin kami ng sabon. Bakit mo ba nilagay sa gitna? Kasi nandun si Tracy. Alam mo, kung tayo maglilipat kung mag-aawala ng pamilya, itigil na to. Okay, nice.
Hi guys, nanonood lang ako ni Alex Gonzaga. Tapos na akong nagluto guys. Ito. Ang sarap nyo. Masarap talaga lutuan yung yung ginagamit ko na kalaha. Masarap siya. Ang galing niya gamitin kasi hindi siya magtubig. So, doon si Tommy naghintay pa rin. Wala pa rin sumagot sa tawag. Yung yan sa ibang bahay. Yung mortgage. Kasi dito tinawagan na ni Tommy okay na. Doon na lang sa isang bahay. So, tingnan natin kung okay ba kahit wala na si Bianan, di ba? Tingnan natin kung ano yung sagot ng bangko. Si Tommy gustong magluto. Sabi niya, higa ka dun. Sabi ko, wag ako mahiga kasi kapag mahiga lang ako, guys, parang yung feeling ko is sobrang lalala talaga ako. Labas lang si Tommy. Be careful, Han. There's the cars over there. Oh, slowing down. Honey? Han? No, 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 no. Yung sasakyan dun ba? Oh, yun. Dahan-dahan. Yung buwan, oh. Yung bahay. Ang ganda ng ano talaga pag may lights. We need to add more lights, son. Over here, oh. Right there. Over here. Maraming sasakyan sa kapitbahay. Hindi ko, nakalimutan kong linisin, oh. So, ito yung nakat ko kanina. Look. Don't lean on that, Tommy. You don't hurt, na. Look. Nakat ko. And, dito din. Goodness. Right here, oh. I heard something over there.
What's over there?
I heard running. Come in. Hurry up. Finish it. May narinig ako dun eh. Tumatakbo. Kaloka. You hard hit, oy. I heard something. You go over there. That's what happened when you're a filmer.
Is that what you do when you're a filmer?
Ito, jeans tayo. Yun lang guys, lumabas lang kami para kunin ito. And manigarilyo si Tamimo eh. And we have to wash the hand. Okay. Hi guys. I know it's late na guys, nag-vlog balik kasi masama pakiramdam ko. Yung katawan ko is, iwan ko on my body, han. I know for sure my body will be ache, will be in painful tomorrow because I went outside and carry all that and handle the thing. We're going to take the meds. Ito yun. Han?
Yeah.
Come here. Kailangan lang namin mag-take. And I'm going to end this vlog. And pasensya na guys, the vlog is nothing. And I will see you tomorrow. Good night guys. Say good night, Han.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Night. See you tomorrow guys. Bye-bye.
So,